Want to make this cute looping GIF in Canva in under 10 minutes? Let me show you how, and no worries, I will show you a pro and free method. Hi, I'm Liesel from VA Wonder, quick Canva tutorials for VAs, entrepreneurs and creatives. Today, we'll turn a static, get your ducks in a row image into a fun animated GIF you can use on your social media. Let's start by logging into Canva and then creating your desired size. I will go for social media, Instagram post. Let's rename our design. So go to File, click in there, get your ducks in a row. Then go to Elements. I have searched for watercolor duck and ducklings. Graphics, see all. I use this image. Click it over onto your page. Now we have to isolate the elements, and for this method, you will need Canva Pro. A little bit later on in this video, I will show you how to do this for free as well. So click on your image, go to Edit, go to Magic Studio, then click onto Magic Grab, then click onto your first element. So now I'm clicking onto the duck. Make sure that you get the full element in. So click onto Shift and click onto the feet as well. Hold your Shift key while clicking on the different parts of the duck. And as soon as the whole duck has been selected, click Grab. Now when we go to our layers, to see your layers, go to Alt-1. You will see that the duck has now been separated from the image. So let's go back to our image. So click on the bottom layer, Edit, Magic Studio, Magic Grab. Let's grab the first little duckling on the left, click and grab. Go to Layers again, Alt-1. Here you can see the duck, the first little duckling, and then your original image. We will click on that image again, Edit, Magic Studio, Magic Grab. Now let's click onto the next little duckling and grab. Check your layers, Alt-1. So we've got 3 layers now, and there's one little duckling left. So let's go back to our original image, Edit, Magic Studio, Magic Grab. Hover over the little duckling to select it and grab. Let's check our layers. So click Alt-1, or alternatively right click, go to Layer and go down to Show Layers. Now you can see we've got our original image, the mother duck and the 3 ducklings. So now you can just click on the original image at the bottom and delete it. Now I will show you how to isolate your elements for free. If you are on Canva Pro, just forward to this timestamp. Let's add a page, go back to Elements, add your image. Resize your image. Share and download it. Next, go to remove.bg. This step you will have to repeat 4 times or more or less depending on the amount of elements that you have to isolate. Upload your image. It will automatically start removing the background. And when you're happy with that image, just go to download and download it once. Okay, then you will see this option here, cut out. So click onto that. And for the first layer, we only need the mother duck. So let's remove the babies. So you can just go with a brush over it and erase. And the next one. And the next one. Now we can download this image. And now we have the first isolated image. So let's go and upload our original image again. Go to cut out. And now we will remove the mother duck and the two ducklings on the right-hand side. Okay, now we only have the one duckling left. Let's download that image. Let's go back and upload our original image again. In this one, we will isolate only this little duckling. So let's go to cut out, remove the mom again. And now only this one is left. Let's go and download. And now for the last one, we will upload our image again. Go to cut out. And download. To keep organized, quickly rename your files. Now you can go back to Canva, delete your original image here, and upload your 4 isolated images. So the duck, duckling 1, 2, and 3. And then click them over onto your canvas. As soon as you've clicked them over onto your canvas, just go Control A to select them all. And if you like Canva shortcuts, make sure that you check out this video next. After you've selected them, you can go right-click, align elements to the center, right-click, align elements to the middle. Now they're all placed exactly in the position as it was originally, and we can go and resize to the correct size. When we go to Alt-1 and check our layers, you can now see your 4 different layers. So this is how you would isolate your images for free. Now it's time to animate our image. Regardless of using the free method of isolation or the pro method, the next steps will be exactly the same. So let's go back to page 1. Press Ctrl A. Ctrl A will select all of your elements. Let's make it a little bit smaller so that we have more space for movement on our page. And I'm going to keep this on the right-hand side. And then I'm going to press R for rectangle to create this square on the page. I will just drag it. And this will just be a temporary line element so that I can place my little ducks in a row. To make things easier, let's plan where our little ducks will stand. So press C on your keyboard and it will create a little circle. So let's make one big circle for the mom duck. So we want her to be about here. Then you can go Ctrl D and the circle will be duplicated. Make it smaller for a little duck and move it into position. Say here. Press Ctrl D again to duplicate that circle. And say our second little duck will be here. And Ctrl D again for our third little duck. So now we have our 4 circles. Let's bring our ducks to the top. It will all make sense in a minute. Okay, so let's animate the duck. Click on her, go to animate, click on create an animation, and now simply drag her onto a space here on the big circle. And drag. As soon as you've done that, you will see that different movement styles will come up. So you can choose between original, smooth, and steady. I'm going to opt for smooth. You can also change the speed of your animation if you would like to. And when you're done, you can just click done. So this little duck here, I would like to put on the first circle. So let's do that. So animate, create custom animation, and let's put this one onto the first circle. There. Done. Then let's go back to the layers again. We click on our second little duckling. This is this one. I want this one to go into the back of the line. So let's click animate, create animation, and we will move that over. Let's just choose smooth again. Done. Go back to our layers, and this last one we want to be in the middle. So animate, create animation, and we will place this little duck in the middle. Choose smooth and done. And I think I didn't choose smooth for the first little duckling, so let's just go back to the layers there. Click onto that layer, animate. You see here it's original. Let's just choose smooth as well. Done. And that looks really good. We can quickly preview that. Okay, that's great. So let's close it. Go back to our layers. And now we can quickly delete all of these placeholders. Now we can go to Share, Download. We will download this as a GIF. Page 1 only, done, and download. And that's it. Your GIF is ready to share across your socials and newsletters. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Comment what animation I should teach next. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.